Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways that you can make money online. And I will explain exactly how it works and how you can get started today. And you can apply the same concept and idea in other business models, so make sure to watch this video. Online we see a ton of people that just say that they have made $2,000 in affiliate marketing, other people that have just get started, but affiliate marketing is a common topic. And pretty much what is and how it works affiliate marketing. It's really simple. Affiliate marketing is pretty much that you sell someone else's product and you earn a commission. Let's say for example that I have this product, this drink right here, and the company will say to me, if you can sell this product maybe for $10, we can give you $2 for every sale that you make. Because without me the company cannot sell this product, or maybe with me the company can sell more of this product. And now it's my job to pretty much take this product and put it in front of the right people. So the right people will buy it and they will send all the money and all the stuff to the main company, and then the company at the end of the month will send me my commission. If for example I've sold 20 of these, I will get $2 for every bottle, and it's around $40. And this is simply how affiliate marketing works. And at this time, as you have seen, your job is just to send traffic, send the right type of traffic and put the product in front of the right people in order to make sales. And by doing this, and then the company will be happy because you do a lot of sales for them. The client will be happy because you will promote a good product, and you also will be happy because you will earn commission without thinking about customer service, shipping, problems, maybe costs. You don't need anything. You can start with $0 and you can start making pretty much unlimited income. It's pretty much an online sales job because salespeople are paid on commission, and affiliate marketing, as I said before, you just get a commission from the product that you have sold. And now that you know this, you can easily see that skills about sales are very important. And if you already have them, really good. But if you don't have them, just go online and search for some tips, some ideas and some other stuff. But affiliate marketing, you can start from zero. You don't need any money and you don't need any knowledge. Yes, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a normal business model. But understand that you don't have to manage nothing, and your focus is just to drive traffic and sell products. No matter what they buy, no matter if they maybe complain about something, it's not your job. Your job is just to drive traffic and sell. So if someone maybe in the future will complain about something, or maybe they have something for the product, you don't need to take ownership of that. You just make the sale and then your job is done, and the company will pay you in every case. And if you have a business mindset but you don't have maybe the money, or you don't want to start something really big at the beginning, this is the best way how now you can start making money online, because it's very easy. You just share your personal links for all these different products, and then in the next few minutes I will show you examples and marketplaces where you can find exactly offers, bonuses and all a list of products that you can share. But at the end it's just a simple salesman job online. And there are three main ways how now you can do affiliate marketing. The first one is simply creating content around a topic. Let's say for example you create a YouTube channel around soccer, where you put soccer tutorials, soccer ideas, maybe soccer tips, courses and all stuff around soccer. So people that are interested in soccer will find your channel, will watch your videos. And then once you have a good product for soccer players, you simply promote that product in front of them, and you know that they are interested, because if you like soccer, if you play soccer and you find that that item is good, valuable and it's worth it, other people similar to you will think the same about that product. So now you take this product, you put the product in front of those people, and you are driving traffic through that product, and people will buy it because they are interested, and you have spent $0 starting your YouTube channel or your personal page. It's not important exactly the platform or exactly how you do it, but just keep consistent content around the topic, and then once you have some sort of fans, some sort of followers, just give them a great offer about a great product, and you will see that some of them will buy it. And once they will buy it, the main company will send you the money of commission for every of that product. And the more people buy it, the more money you make. And also, the more expensive is the product, normally the bigger the commission it is for you. So if you already have something around this, if you already have a page or even around your personal page, you can do this. Maybe you can go online and find good offers for your friends, for your followers, maybe for your family, and pretty much it's a recommendation. As you can see, also Amazon creates an affiliate program and you can simply sell Amazon products earning commissions, and this is pretty much the base of affiliate marketing. And you can get started too just by registering for free on Amazon Associates, and then you can start promoting Amazon products here and there and earning commissions for every time that someone buy an item. The second way that you can do affiliate marketing is through paid traffic, ads. Yes, Facebook ads, Google ads, maybe YouTube ads, Instagram ads. You can find a good offer from some other companies, for example, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, or simply Amazon. And then you take these offers and you create a little sales page, maybe a Facebook page also around that niche. You post some pictures and then you do some Facebook ads towards that product. For example, let's use the same example that I've done about soccer. You have a soccer t-shirt that is really good because maybe it's good maybe for the cold, it's good for the hot weather, and it's high quality, and you can promote that t-shirt to all the people that play soccer on Facebook and on Instagram. So you can simply go in Facebook business and create your Facebook campaign, and then maybe you spend 10, 20, $100 a day and you try it maybe for 2 days. And to do this, you need to have some budget, you need to have some money. My advice to you is to start maybe having around from $500 to $1,000 to spend in ads, because you need to test what works and what doesn't work. But for example, if you sell that t-shirt to 30 people and you earn $10 for every sale that you have made, it's about $300. And if maybe you have spent just $200 in ads, you have just earned $100. And if you keep scaling and if you keep doing this with multiple stuff, you can see that your margins can be really high. And then once you understand what works and what don't, you can pretty much sell more with less budget, because you will know the colors that works better, the product that works better, also the niches that works better. Maybe in soccer you sell a ton of stuff, but maybe in tennis you will sell nothing. And by doing this, it's just a test game, but this costs you a little bit of money, but it has a really big potential earning. And the third way how now you can make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner is by simply reviewing product that you already have at your house. Or maybe you buy something new, you buy maybe a new pair of glasses, you buy a new phone, and just create a review and put it on your YouTube channel, on your social media, and on your blog, on your website. You will create multiple channels and maybe a little brand about a review, and it costs you pretty much anything to create all this. Yes, maybe just $100 a year for the hosting of the website, but it's really low the amount of money that you need to invest. And by doing this, you will pretty much create a community around your reviews, and a lot of people will be interested maybe in just one product, and then there you can add Amazon links here and there, and when people click that link and buy that product, or even they buy something else, you will earn a commission from Amazon, and every month Amazon will send out the money to you. So you can easily see that there is a ton of money that can be made in affiliate marketing. You just need to choose one topic, one vehicle from one of those three that I've just said to you, and then stick to it until it works, because as I said before, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not that today you start your campaign or maybe you post your video and tomorrow you will have $1,000 in your bank account. But it's something slow, it's something that it needs to be built, and you need to be consistent. It's not enough to post just one picture or maybe to do just one ad or review just one product, but you need to do the more that you can. For example, if you are going to school or if you are going to work 9 to 5, just every time that you come home, make sure to create 2 pieces of content to post that day, maybe one in the morning and one in the evening. So you're sure to be consistent, and after a few months you will see that this snowball effect will pretty much grow your overall brand and you will make more money every day. An easy tutorial that I can give you right now, it's about t-shirt. It's about sell t-shirt and earn a commission. As you can see, this website Viral Style, it's made to create your own t-shirt. Then you can maybe go on fiverr.com and buy a simple design for $5. Or maybe you can create your own if you are good with Photoshop or Illustrator, or if you have good skills with design. But make sure to have an appealing and good design about some sort of niche. As I said before, maybe about soccer or about basketball, so you can target someone really specific on Facebook and in other platforms. And then once you have created your t-shirt with your design, you can go and simply edit the price and shows your price. The platform will take some revenue, but also you will take some revenue depending on the price that you set on that t-shirt. But this is pretty much how you can start easily today affiliate marketing. And then you will have your own link about Viral Style and about that product, so you can share the link with all the people that you know, all your friends, all your family. You can share it on social media, you can share it on your page, you can start a page and share that on your page. Or even if you have some dollars, start creating some Facebook ads campaigns in order to make some money, and use this to be really specific about the topic, and also maybe for events, maybe do some good t-shirt for Christmas, or maybe do some good t-shirt for the summer, or maybe create an hat for football lovers and all this. And by doing this really specific, you will see that people enjoy what you're selling and you will earn a lot of money. And by the way, let me know in the comment from what. And by the way, let me know in the comment what is your experience with. And and by the way, let me know in the comment down below what is your experience from 0 to 10 about affiliate marketing. So I know if I need to do more specific stuff or maybe stuff that are more simple. And if you want to know the 7 traits of successful people, make sure to download the free PDF that you find in the description, so you will know exactly what it takes in order to become successful. And if you're interested to make more money with affiliate marketing, watch this next video right here, where I show you exactly how you can make money with affiliate marketing without any skill and without investing a penny. I see you there. Problems, and you will solve their problems with products, and you will simply earn a commission without thinking